Hello everybody, and welcome back to Hands On with BLG. I am BLG. I'm back in the kitchen with a dingo that's looking at me really weird. He's right down there. And there's a Sheila looking at me weird here too. Today we're going to do meatballs with marinara sauce. It's going to be really good. We got some store-bought stuff. We're going cheap and easy. Store-bought turkey meatballs, right? They're frozen. Going to go in the oven. That one to be exact. That oven right there, 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 16 minutes or until warm. Then we'll come back and I'll show you what I'm going to do with them. See you in a few. Alright folks, we are back. The meatballs are going to go for a ride in this here skillet, or this pan, is going to get browned up. I'm going to brown these puppies up a little bit, see? Now, I'm going to stir these meatballs around just for a bit. I'm going to give them a little bit of color, a little bit of happy time in the pan here. Won't take long. Get a decent color up on them here. There we go. Let them do that real quick, and then they're going to go back over here. You can't see it. Yeah, you can. Right here. They're going to go back on this here cookie sheet with the aluminum foil on them. I'll move on to the next little part. Beautiful, man. Beautiful, baby. Okay, now these guys can all hop out of here, right? Looking good. See, they got a nice little color to them now. I'm going to take these out and kick my heat down. About 5. So we're going to take the meatballs out. Boink. Boink, right? Now, get this open. I wrapped it myself. It's not going to be easy to open. Like I said, I wrapped it myself. I'm pretty good at this shit. See? Got some hamburger. Slap that in the pan. I'm going to kick this up just a little bit. The pan up here. Get that browning up a little bit. Now along with that, I am going to chuck in some onion. About like that now. That's a beautiful thing. Like so. Don't call the fire department on me. It's fine. Alright, now, burger's browned up. We've got our onions all up in here. Watch this shit, folks. We got a can of marinara sauce, or a jar. Marinara sauce. Just whatever you like. This is just pasta sauce. Got it from the food pantry, maybe? Or no, I think LG Mama bought this. See? And we like meat sauce. That's the meat. See? Look at that. Now we've got marinara with meat and onion. Beautiful. Beautiful. Just like so. Right? I'm seeing something I want to know. Look here. Wadash. Can of small mushroom stems and pieces. Now, we've got this all nice. Right? Guess who goes back in? Our friendly neighborhood meatballs. Right back in the pot with the sauce. Mix and stir, stir and mix, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. Would you have a look at that? Now, generally, I would put a lid on this, and I'd let this simmer for, you know, maybe 40 minutes or so on a low simmer. But, got a special for you guys today. Yoink! They're going back They're going back in this crock pot. Yes, you heard me. They're going in the crock pot where they can't burn or do anything bad. Right? Oh, that smells so good. Okay, what I'm going to do is get me a bowl, right? And I'll show you what we got here. Because it is good to go. I'm going to set my bowl up now. I want this bowl. What I've got, again, yoink. You go over there. You go here. Like that. Good enough. I've got pasta that I've already made. Homemade pasta. Yes, I made. See, look at that, huh? I'll get me a nice bed of pasta in here. Thusly. Good, 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 good. Excellent take. Now, I'm going to get a nice batch of meatballs and the mushrooms and the onions and sauce. Good as stuff. Good as stuff. Like a soap. Just like that down. See that? Now, I'm going to top that bitch off. I didn't have any of the right kind of bread today, so I took hamburger buns that I did have extras of. Ba-bow. Ba-bow. And there you go. Meatballs, pasta, meat marinara sauce, and garlic toast. You're welcome. You're welcome. Compliments. Hands on with BLG, lefty and righty. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Hit that like and subscribe. We are growing again, and it's really helping me out. So yeah, take the time, please, and hit that like and subscribe. Pass the word. Share these videos. You guys are all I've got to grow this channel, and it is deeply appreciated. Can use all the help I can get. That being said, you know what to do. Until next time, folks. Peace out, people. Just peace out. Ha ha. Bye. Hands on with BLG. You never know what you will see. Oh, yes sirree. Hands on with BLG. Stick around and learn from me.